Hello, my name is Ashley. I'm a sophomore nursing major from Boston, Massachusetts. Thank you for joining me on our video tour. I'm very excited to show you around and help you feel more connected to our campus as you envision yourself as a member of our community. Let's talk about Curry School of Nursing and check out the simulation labs. Beginning in 1977, our nursing program was the first program in the state of Massachusetts to be accredited by the Commission of Collegiate Nursing Education. The School of Nursing's curriculum is founded on the National Quality and Safety in Nursing Education core competencies and helps transform our students into leaders who use evidence-based knowledge to practice nursing with creativity, compassion, and commitment. Curry's location and proximity to Boston creates the perfect opportunity for students to experience dynamic, hands-on learning at some of the best medical facilities in the world. At the start of sophomore year, students will begin their clinical rotations, which take place at renowned hospitals across our region. While on campus, students will practice nursing in our simulation labs, which recently received the International Clinical Simulation and Learning endorsement, joining 23 elite programs recognized globally. Curry School of Nursing is just one of 2 Massachusetts programs to receive the endorsement and is the first school of nursing based in private college in Massachusetts to receive the honor. Graduates of Curry School of Nursing are well prepared for their careers. Curry's first-time NCLEX pass rate is regularly above 90%, which exceeds the national average. Thanks for virtually stopping by to learn about our School of Nursing today. If you have any questions, please contact the admission office at adm@curry.edu or 617-333-2210. I also encourage you to check out some of our other video tour stops.